What's up? In this video, we're going to be looking at a feature called Card Share that's included in your Amplify account that basically is a digital business card. It replaces products such as Popple, Hi Hello, and all of these other digital business cards that you may already have that you're maybe paying for. It is something that is included, and we want to make sure you know where to customize your card and get the URL. So all you have to do is log into your account and go to Sites and then Funnels, and you'll see a folder here called Card Share. You click into that, and then you'll see a funnel called Card Share Digital Business Card. Click into that. There are 3 steps to this funnel. The first is a QR code, and I'm going to customize each one of these, but I just want to show you the full workflow. So the QR code is something that you can literally save this as an image on your phone, or you can just pull up the URL and other people can scan it, and then that's how they can connect with you. That's one of the ways. You can also just send them the URL to your card. Then there's a contact form. So when they scan the card, they're taken to a page where they can provide contact data right then and there. And this will make a lot more sense when we go through the demo. But the cool thing about this is it captures the other person's contact info if they want to provide it right then and there. You can even take a selfie together, and it's just a great way to make sure that you both exchange contact info on the spot. And then the third page is what would be sort of like a link tree, or basically just a collection of different buttons and links, and it's fully customizable. So if you want to give people easy access to your social media URLs, your calendar booking link, your phone number, your email address, all of that happens on the links page. And all of this is tied together in a very intentional way, and I'm going to show you how to customize all of that. So the first thing we want to do with the QR scan is click on that step and click Edit. Customizing this, you should already see your brand colors, your logo, because all of this is generated automatically when we spin up your account. We have it set up in a way where it's going to pull in your brand, but it is still customizable. For instance, this is not going to look like this when someone is previewing it. If we click on the preview button, I'll show you what I mean. You see it's going to have your name, your title, your business name, your avatar. All of that should already be customized. If it's not, it's very easy to change. You can click into anything and you can easily customize it. Highlight this. I could then type whatever I want. That's going to change it, because right now it's using what's called a custom value. The same with images. If I click on the image, this side panel opens up, and I can click on this little icon here, and I can select a different image. If I want, I can upload an image. So you're not stuck with these custom values. We do this so that it's easy to get started with this, because it should be about 75% customized to your brand already, but it's going to take a little bit of tweaking to get it perfect. Okay, the QR code. So the QR code is something you're going to have to generate. So we're going to click on this space where the QR code goes and click Create New QR Code. And what we want it to link to is a funnel, and we can actually give it a name. We're just going to call it Card Share, and we want to link it to a funnel. And if we go to the next page, we can select Card Share as the funnel. And the step we want to link it to is the contact form. Click Next. And this is where you can customize some of the colors. So to make this on brand, I am going to use the colors that pertain to my specific brand for this demo account. So we're just going to change out some of the colors here, and the shape and form, we're going to keep that as the defaults. You could also add a logo if you want, but again, you can just keep some of the defaults here. We're going to click Save. That's going to replace it up, but you see how the background needs to be changed to this background color. So why don't we edit the QR code, click Next, and the background color should actually be this color, I believe. Save, there we go, perfect. Let's make sure it looks good on mobile, looks good. Okay, now we're gonna save this, and we're gonna click down here in the steps, and we're gonna go to the second page to customize that. Now again, this one should already be pretty close to where it needs to be in terms of the design. You can always customize it as you wish, but you can see here, this is where people can fill out their contact info. You can even take a selfie. This is really helpful, because then the selfie is going to get saved to the contact record. So you'll have a face to the name, and you can use that in a happy birthday text message or whatever, so that you can create more of a personal connection down the road. That's something that very few digital business cards offer, but we do. So this one looks good. I don't think there's anything we need to change on this step. So then we'll go to the third step, which is the links page. And again, this one's going to be pretty much good to go, except for the actual links themselves. So some of this is filled in automatically based on custom values when you onboard with us. And let's just make sure everything looks good. Yep, everything appears to be good. So we can save this one as well. And the last thing we need to do is simply publish. So we're gonna hit that publish button in the upper right, and the page is now published. So if we go back, we can now open this first step in a new tab and see what it looks like. There you go. Now, if we were to scan this, it'll take us to the second step. But if we don't want to scan it, we can always just click here. That's the contact form. Now let's say that someone loads the contact form, but they don't want to provide their contact info right away. Well, they can just click this button. I don't want to provide my details yet. I want to see your details now. If I click on that, that's going to take me to this page where they can visit the website. They can send me a text. They can email me. You can add additional buttons here as well. You can update your social links. You can add more links. All of this is customizable. And if you run into any issues, of course, you can just reach out to support@earnworthy.com. We can help you customize your card share exactly how you want it. And to get back to that form, they can click here. So this basically takes them back and forth between those two pages. So you want to think about what you want on this page. Usually you want your phone number, your email, maybe your website, maybe a calendar link. You can add some additional links here as well. And that is pretty much it when it comes to card share. There is one more awesome feature. We actually own the domain cardshare.co, and we can set it up where you can have a short URL that will go directly to your card. It can be cardshare.co/your name, whatever you want. So if you want to get that set up, just let us know during the onboarding process or send us an email at support@earnworthy.com. If we haven't already set it up for you, we can do that. And then you can just tell people, go to cardshare.co/Nicholas, and that'll take you directly to your card. So that in a nutshell is card share. It's a great way to have a digital business card that does more than just share info, but it also helps capture some of that info so that you can make those connections on the spot, and then you can follow up. And I should say, when someone fills out the form, this form here, it's connected to automations on the back end. So not only is that lead coming in to your lead tracker and is going into your contact database, but they are also getting an immediate text message that is going to connect you to them. And this is done through our rapid responder feature. So not only are you capturing the lead, but you're immediately reaching out to them to create a deeper connection. That's CardShare, and we hope you find as much value out of it as we do. And if you have any questions, of course, you can reach out to us at any time.